Hello, today I'm going to give you a house tour. Yeah, this is actually my grandma's house. Unfortunately, she passed away like 3 years ago, and we sold our house and moved in here because she wanted to stay in the family because my grandfather actually designed this house. Yeah, there's always somebody here 24/7. Dad's retired and everything. Yeah, Dad's a big pirate fan. Yeah, this is Dad's man cave right here. The dining room. There's my dog Charlotte, one of her most favorite spots. There's my living room, TV. There's my dog Bristol right there. Here's the kitchen. We switched this chair out with my ECR for Kids plastic stack chair. Out here is the mud and laundry room. And out here is the garage. Come down the steps. Yeah, there's the garage. My bicycle, some tools, more NASCAR stuff. This is the world famous backyard where I tried to crack the 80-foot whip. There's my service entrance, my pole, my target, my other targets. Up there you can see the 500-foot loop antenna in the trees. That's also where I'm going to build my model railroad up there. Down the hallway you have the bathroom, Mom and Dad's bedroom, my room, the office, and here's the basement. Come down here, first thing you're going to notice is all the plastic chairs. Second thing you're going to notice is how big this room is. And of course you can't forget the plastic chair collection. Got just about everything that's ever been made. Yeah, you can see just how far the chairs go. I have my archery and BB gun targets right here. Yeah, you don't want to forget the only one of its kind, the electric 50-foot violin. Yeah, I have 2 Daisy air rifles up there. I have 2 more down here. I always buy 2 of each in case one breaks. Plus I got my arrows and my bow. This is the only bow Walmart had that day. Down here I have my spring arrow BB pistols. I have some knives. I have an extra slingshot. I have some ammo. Down here I have a slingshot. I have my bottle guns, my dart gun, my staple to throw. I have some targets. I have some slingshot ammo. Down here I have my axes and my tomahawks. Got some extra BBs as well as my slingshot bow. Over here I have my bats and golf clubs. Up here I got my golf balls and tees, another BB gun target for outside. I got my baseballs and tennis balls. I got my 4-shooter blowgun right there. Down here is where I build all my projects. There's a bunch of my parts right there. I got my step ladder, my step stool, my workbench, my broom. I have wire. I got buckets full of parts, like PVC fittings. I got a barrel full of soda bottles. I have a couple string trimmer motors ready to go. I have a microwave, capacitor, 5-gallon water jugs. Over here is my Bryan Ropar museum. I got my carts hanging on the wall, my pole hardware collection, my train. I got some more track over here in the cars I'm gonna build. Yeah, there's all kind of stuff. 55-gallon line jar capacitor, my bottle launcher, my Connects crane and tower. I have sheet metal. I have some cans. I have my building supplies. I got all my tools on these shelves here. I have enough railroad track to go around the basement. I have all kind of, this is where I keep my nuts and bolts and supplies. The designing office. I got my radio desk right there. There's my circus line chair as well as my ECR for Kids plastic stack chair. I also have a resin folding chair. Yeah, this is my designing desk. It's got some stuff sitting on it right now. A couple musical instruments and another bullwhip. Adirondack chair of knowledge. I got my science closet. Some stuff hanging on the wall. My dry erase board. Another bullwhip. This is my bedroom in here. I have my upload computer. My Zuma rocking chair. I have my music corner in here. There's my dresser. I'm watching the race right now. I got some neat things on there. Jacob's ladder. My throwing stars and model airplane train engine. Some insulators. A voltage multiplier. Very thick wire right there. My RF to DC converter. Over here I got my pole with my insulators, hard hat, bullwhips, one of my BB guns. I got darts, a ping pong paddle, more insulators on this side. I got some BBs. There's my coil and a magnet and a little Leyden jar. Right there's my little airplane gun. There's my model pad mount transformer. I also have some high voltage gloves on my pole. Over here is my world famous bullwhips. Right there's my 100-year-old power line fuse. Charlotte decided to go outside and join Bristol.